The renewable energy thrust at the Barbados Water Authority continues, and as you can see right behind me, it is unfolding quite nicely. This here at the Bridgetown Sewage Treatment Plant is part of that $3.5 million UAE, United Arab Emirates project, a partnership between that country and the Barbados Water Authority. To give us a progress update on what's happening with this and where it goes next, we have Nathan Hart. He's a project engineer with the Project Management Office at the BWA. Nathan, this is looking good, and this is just the beginning.
Well, it is the beginning, Shane. This particular project you see here is not necessarily related to the UAE, but it was part of a project from the IDB project. This is a 170 kilowatt solar grid tie system connected directly to the bus bar of the sewage treatment plant. This was installed about a year ago. Right now, it has passed all of the electrical testing from Government Engineering Electrical Department, and that's a positive. But still, we are dealing with some paperwork between Barbados Water Authority and the Barbados Light and Power, and there is where some of the challenges that we face. But currently, it is working, but we are not seeing the benefits until we have all of that paperwork between the Barbados Water Authority and the Barbados Light and Power straightened out. But it is part of our drive. As you know, through the UAE project, United Arab Emirates project, $3.5 million US have been given to the Barbados Water Authority as a grant funding initiative. And we are also going to expand on this 170 kilowatt system by way of implementing, Shane, 350 kilowatt carport in the external environments at the BSTP. And that solar carport, when you take the shots, you're going to see that it is going to be part of the upgrade of trying to lower our operational costs. This particular facility, Shane, that you see here right now, uses $77,000 of worth of electricity per month. We are hoping to reduce that by at least 80% with the initiatives that we are pushing for at the Barbados Water Authority through our renewable energy climate resilient program.
Okay, so you have the carport being built, then there's the operation as well, the solar operation to run Bowmanston. What will this mean overall as you try to move more to renewable energy here at the Barbados Water Authority?
So for us, it is not necessary about making money because our electrical demand is way too high. We don't have even enough space for it. What it will mean is trying to tariff stability and lowering our operational costs by way of reduction of our energy consumption from Barbados Light and Power. For us, and also lowering our carbon footprint. As you well know, we use between 5 to 6% of the grid's total capacity per day, right? And that represents about 8 megawatts per day, Shane, in total capacity, and that's huge for a utility corporation like the Barbados Water Authority. So each time we have these initiatives, our aim is to lower operational costs, reduce our carbon footprint, and build our climate resilient program.
Right, that is where it was going. I know that climate resilience has been a big part of the push by the BWA. How will this help in that regard?
Well, Shane, as I mentioned in previous programs and other audiences, a climate resilient program is one where we are able to still, in the event of a natural disaster, for example, a hurricane, we should still be able to pump water to our citizens and process the sewage, right? But to build a climate resilient program is not just about solar panels. It's also a lot of other technological advancement we need to put in. Storage capacity, storage of water and energy storage are important in building that particular program. But we are getting projects from UAE, we are getting projects from the CDB, we are getting projects from GCF. Putting all the puzzles together, Shane, is not easy, and it becomes difficult dealing with the different bodies and then trying to fit that all in our program.
We really want to thank you for coming on the program, and thank you for watching Water Wednesdays. To view this or a previous episode again, please visit our website, www.barbadoswaterauthority.com, or you have the option to go to our YouTube channel. Just type in Water Wednesdays.